Hi students, so this is the next problem that we will be solving here, okay? This is another very easy problem, but there is just a bit of very simple logical manipulation and then you can easily arrive to the answer, okay? So how will we do that? Club it up again, sin x, cos x, cube, dx. How can I get this 2 sin x cos x format? How can I get this 2 sin x cos x format? Tell me. By just dividing it with, multiplying it with 1 by 8, and then we can write 2 sin x cos x cube here. I hope you understood why I divided this by 8 here, because there's a cube here, right? So we have to, when we do the cube of 2, what we get? The cube of 2 is 8, right? So simply in the denominator also we have to put 8, all right, so that we can get back to this particular format. And then finally we have got this thing now. Now what we will do, 1 by 8. This definitely is a sin 2x format, but there will be a cube in it, right? And I guess we know the formula of this very well, right? 1 by 8 integration of 3 sine 2x minus sine 6x divided by 4 dx. Tell me, what is the formula here? Why did I write this particular thing? It's because sine 3x is equals to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x, right? So what will be the form when it is sine of 6x will give us 3 sine 2x minus 4 sine cube 2x. Sine cube 2x is what we need. So what we will do? Simply we will bring this whole thing here. So we get 3 sine 2x minus sine 6x divided by 4. This is what we actually got here. I hope this is extremely clear to you. The next step, you can do it. This is nothing but you have to simply integrate, right? Take this 4 outside, like take this as 1 by 32, and then you will get a simple form of 3 sine 2x minus sine 6x dx. This is the simple format that you will be getting, okay? The rest you can do it. There has, like, we have solved a lot of problems, so the rest part you can do, and after solving, the answer that you will get here is in the format, this one, okay? This is the answer that you will be getting after doing all the simple mathematical calculations like taking LCM and all. This is the particular thing that you will get, okay? Now we will move on to the next problem. Now that we have solved pretty many problems, right? So this is something that I expect you to do by yourself, okay? I don't want you to be so dependent that I'll do one line and then you'll do that particular line and then I'll proceed in the next line and then you will proceed in the next way, okay? I want you to be more independent, all right? I'll just give you an idea of how to approach the problem, right? Solving is something which everyone can do, but how to approach a particular problem, that is very important, because students don't understand how to approach, what to do. So this is the integration of sine 4x by sine x, okay? how will you approach this problem? This is a problem which is simply based on trigonometry. This is sine 2.2x, right? So what we will get? Sine 2x cos 2x divided by sine x dx. All right, and then what we will get? Again break this. 2 sine x cos 2x divided by sine x dx. All right, sine x goes away, so finally what we get? A 2 will come outside, 1 2 will remain inside, so we will again come across the very familiar formula that we have come across 2 problems earlier in the last to last problem. Okay, so again that 2 cos A cos B format, you solve it by yourself. Okay, it is a very easy problem, and then the answer that you will be finally getting after solving the problem is nothing but 2 by 3 sine 3x plus 3 sine x plus c. All right, this is the particular answer that you will be getting after solving this particular integration, which is actually very easy. You have to just do 2 manipulations here. One is put the formula and find out the particular expression, and then integrate the expression, and then you will arrive at this final answer. Okay, so we have solved up quite a number of problems, and we will be solving a bit more. I want to actually make you more familiar, okay, with the trigonometric functions, because normally in the 11th grade we do solve problems on trigonometry, but as soon as we move in the 12th grade we forget all of the things that have been taught to us in trigonometry, or all of the things that we studied, specifically the formulas. So just getting familiar with these problems will also help us come across these formulas quite often. So you will know that, okay, these are the formulas that I have to keep on revising. All right, trigonometry is a very important chapter, I had already told you earlier, and apart from that, remembering the formulas is even more important. Okay, almost in every chapter you will find its application in some way or the other, specifically in calculus. Okay, so let's move ahead now and try to solve more and more problems. Okay, the more you solve different kinds of problems, the more idea you will get that how to approach a problem, what to do. And I'm trying to actually create a sort of assignment for you where I'll be giving you about 5 to 6 sums every single day, so that you can solve it by yourself, and then you will know that how to apply the problems. Okay, so now let's move ahead.